So what are the rest? What are the industries of the other people? If you could just give us a shout out. Product development, okay, not bad. What else? Who else is in what industry? The ones that didn't raise their hands when we asked for the digital marketers, where are you guys? What industries are you from? You don't have to be shy. We won't judge overtly. Okay, so if you're shy, who was at the previous Blink event? Raise your hands. No, the one from 6 months ago, the one in August. None? Okay. March? So who was at the previous Blink event? Nobody? Okay, so because this is sort of a continuation of the topic there, but I'll give you guys a quick run through of what you missed. So, previously on Blink, and you didn't pay to do this, but I'll run you through it anyway, very quickly. We talked about email marketing and the smart way to do it. And essentially the lesson is, plan your email marketing. Don't just execute for the sake of being able to execute or being able to say you execute anything digitally. You have to have a desired end result. And the first step, of course, is collect your audience, either via traditional means or having a web form on your website, but find a way for people to opt in into your mailing campaign. And then you can do it on promos, trade shows, networking activities, or your website. And this is primarily our forte. I love bringing people into websites. Step 2 would have been to segment your audience. You have to know who you're talking to, right? I like to tell people every sales activity, and for me, email marketing is part of sales activity, even though it's technically marketing, but it is a sales activity because you're trying to nurture a relationship. And I like to teach my salespeople that selling is like dating. You have to know who you're talking to, right? And that's why you have to segment them. And you don't talk to everybody the same way. You talk to people differently depending on who you're dating and depending on where you are in the dating stages. So is it the first time you guys are seeing each other? Have you spoken with them before? Are they absolutely new to whatever it is you're offering? Or, are they faithful to you? Are they loyal? So it's sort of like when you're dating, you have to know, are you dating a girlfriend or your wife? The quality of the date when she was your girlfriend and when she became your wife are different experiences, right? Unless, for some of you guys it's the same, but they should be different because the nature of the relationship has changed. Step 3 would be to set your goal. Know what the desired end result is in mind. You have to be specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. You have to have a SMART goal tied to every activity that you do. Otherwise, you're throwing money away.